Here there is a problem on this Routh-Hurwitz criterion. So in this problem, determine the range of K for stability of a unity feedback system whose open loop transfer function is this one, g of s is equal to K divided by s into s plus 1 into s plus 2. So how to find the range of K value? The range of K, this is what we have to determine here. So this is the open loop transfer function. This one is open loop transfer function. Just you write a open loop transfer function. Open loop transfer function here is, that is g of s is equal to, or g of s divided by g of s into h of s, s into s plus 1 into s plus 2. So this is the open loop transfer function. For this I need to find the range of K. The range of K for a closed loop system. I need to find the stability of a unity feedback system up to which it is stable. That means the range of K we need to find such that the system will become stable. Here, to find the stability, we need to form the characteristic equation here. Characteristic equation. Here the characteristic equation is 1 plus g of s into h of s is equal to 0. Since it is unity feedback, it will become 1. So it is 1 plus K divided by s into s plus 1 into s plus 2 is equal to 0. So it is s into s plus 1 into s plus 2 plus K is equal to 0. If I calculate, so this equation will come from this equation, this one. So it is s into s square plus 3s plus 2 plus K is equal to 0. This equation come from this equation. So it is s cube plus 3s square plus 2s plus K is equal to 0. And you use this Routh array here, s cube, s square, s power 1, s power 0. S cube, it is 1, it is 2, next s square, it is 3, and it is K. You multiply 3 into 2, 6, minus K divided by 3. This element, 3 into 0 minus 0, so this element is equal to 0. Next, this element, 6 minus K divided by 3 into K minus 0 into 3 divided by 6 minus K into 3. So 6 minus K divided by 3. So this will become this element K here. So this is 0. So for getting the stability, that means for getting the stability, the first column of the Routh array, should become positive. That means this 1 is positive, we know that, 3 is positive, we know that, this K should be also be positive. That means K is positive, that means K should be greater than 0. And also this term is also greater than 0, that is 6 minus K divided by 3 is also greater than 0. Suppose 6 minus K divided by 6 minus K should be greater than 0, 6 is greater than K, or K is less than 6. So this is one condition. Here this is the another condition. So the system, if that means the range of K for which the system is stable is, this is 0 less than K less than 6. From these two equations, this is 1 and it is 2. From these two we can get, this is the condition for getting the stability. For stability, the system is equal to, the system is marginally stable if the K value is 6. If the K value is 6, then the system is marginally stable. If the value of K is greater than 6 or K is less than 0, then the system is unstable system. So finally, the range of K for which the system is stable is, this is the range.